With continuing coverage of the Supreme Judicial Court's overturning of the dismissal in the Holyoke Soldiers Home case. 22 News reporter Christina Demores joins us live from Holyoke. Christina, this means that the criminal cases against the former superintendent and medical director can resume.
Yeah, that's right, Ciara. And tonight I spoke with a family member of a veteran who currently lives here, and she says that those responsible should be held accountable.
I'm relieved to think that someone may finally be held accountable for the tragedy that took the lives of so many, but also continues to impact the survivors.
The Holyoke Soldiers Home criminal cases against Bennett Walsh and Dr. David Clinton can now resume after a recent ruling by the Supreme Judicial Court. This a year and a half after a Hampden Superior Court judge dismissed grand jury indictments against them. 22 News spoke with Erin Shadle, the daughter of 84-year-old veteran Francis Hennessy, a resident of the Holyoke Soldiers Home and a survivor of the COVID-19 outbreak that took the lives of more than 70 veterans.
What I would like to see is change so that this can never happen again. Change so that the persons that are in the positions of responsibility and responsible for lives are appropriately trained and appropriately skilled to take care of those lives.
The Supreme Judicial Court ruled 5-2 that the Superior Court judge had erred in dismissing the indictments against Walsh and Clinton back in the fall of 2021. Walsh, who was the superintendent of the Soldiers Home, and Clinton, who was the medical director, were charged with elder neglect for their alleged failure to provide services or treatment to veterans at the Soldiers Home during the 2020 COVID-19 outbreak at the facility.
That is highly important for us veterans to receive the care that we are entitled to and receive it with dignity. And only experienced individuals can do this.
Attorney General Andrea Campbell echoing the same in his statement to 22 News, saying in part, quote, "The court's decision today is welcome and important news, and it affirms what we already knew. The leaders and managers of facilities like the Soldiers Home share responsibility for the health and safety of their residents." 22 News also heard from Dr. Clinton's lawyer, who said that this prosecution is, quote, misguided, and that they look forward to clearing his name at trial. Working for you in Holyoke, Christina Demores, 22 News.